I would say, yeah, in the culture, there's something about it that encourages risk and is okay with failure. Is really okay with failure. It even celebrates failure in a way that like there's a lot of failures. I failed a lot of times, and I still do. So these kind of failures just form your ability to eventually build something, because you're not that afraid to fail. You know what I mean? So
Yeah, see, I'm afraid to fail. Maybe if I grew up in Israel, I wouldn't be so afraid to fail.
I mean, it's even in the sense of like companies respect people who failed and they are ready to hire them. So even if you fail, that like it's not the end of the world. Like there's obviously risk involved. There's obviously like you might lose money, you might not have salary, like all sorts of things. But at least in terms of like culture wise, you feel like a hero. You know what I mean? You feel good with yourself that you're building something new, even if you're like most of the times you fail, because that's startup life. But that's I think something about the culture that makes it easier in a way.
That is really interesting that people have that there's a feeling that failure is okay.
Yes, that's essential. That's essential for success, I would say.